Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Payoneer payment on hold issue. So step number one is to check your email. So you have to look for emails from Payoneer explaining why your payment is on hold. So this usually requires document verification. So you just have to check on there. And then you have to complete identity verification. So to do that, just log into Payoneer and upload requested documents. So that is the ID, the proof of address, and also the tax forms if needed. Next is if hold is due to transaction review, then you have to provide proof of service or the invoice from the client who sent the payment. Next is to use the contact us option in your account or call support directly for faster resolution. Lastly is to wait for the review. So Payoneer typically reviews within 1 to 3 business days. So once approved, the funds will be released to your account right away. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!